Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Start. Officials that threats made to them and their non-consensual images being shared by, for example, their ex-husbands for blackmailing are not serious enough crimes. Others indulge in victim blaming, further traumatizing survivors. Full stop. Third, there is the general perception about FIA that it is a tool in the hands of the government to silence its critics, which the FIA must get rid of through actions. Full stop. Sending summons to politicians, journalists, and activists for speech online is highly concerning, and the Islamabad High Court has repeatedly taken notice of this and summoned high-ranking FIA officials in this regard. Full stop. What is also worrying is oftentimes summons are sent to individuals for their online speech with the words, "You are well aware of what this is about," when in reality they are not. Full stop. What ends up happening is that inquiries are quashed on orders of the court for FIA not having followed due process. Full stop. The abuse of Section 20 of PICA, which criminalizes defamation, is also increasingly used to silence those who speak out against oppression, be it personal or structural. Full stop. Third, there is a major issue with FIA investigating officers' work and their cooperation with the courts. Full stop. In many cases, they do not show up in court, and evidence files of important cases have been lost and only appeared when a case was filed in the High Court. Full stop. Such undue delays put a question mark over the FIA's sincerity and competency and need to be addressed. Same goes for the forensic laboratory, of which only a couple exist in the entire country. Full stop. More resources and discipline are required to deal with the influx of cases. Full stop. Fourth, the FIA is on record complaining that social media companies do not cooperate in investigations. Full stop. Issues related to this are largely due to lack of policy level engagement by the Pakistani government on international fronts. Full stop. The internet epitomizes international cooperation, and hence addressing issues related to it also requires international participation. Full stop. Pakistan does not have a mutual legal assistance treaty with the United States, where most of these companies are based and whose laws they follow. Full stop. If at a policy level. Full stop. The end. This dictation was recorded by Mohammad Rahil Solanki from Sakhar. Thank you.